welcome back to Secret Life of Sanchi. It's me, Sanchari. If you're new, welcome, and if you're already Sancharian, welcome back. It's been a long time since I've seen you guys. I know, exams, bro, but they've come to an end. And now that I'm here, I have to commit that I'll be posting every single Wednesday except this coming week. Because I'm posting on the Sunday. So there is a lot to show you guys today. I have so many packages. I have more there downstairs, like not downstairs, like on the floor. And I'm very excited because there are clothes, there's food, there's everything that I love. But one dress I'm not going to show because I want to do like a little photo shoot with it and I'm going to post it like on Insta. So make sure you follow me. ये रहा मेरा username. Description में भी है. If you're too lazy to like remember this, you can just click on the link which is in the description down below and boom, you'll be in my account. So pehle I'm going to open up the clothes wala box. This has come from Reserved. Well, I ordered and paid, so I didn't pay, my mom paid. Okay, so this is from Reserved, and I have ordered 3 things and one of them I'm not going to show you क्योंकि वो हम बाद में दिखाएंगे. So don't judge me. But this is a little pink bag and it has Mickey Mouse all over it and it's so cute. It's so cute and the quality is also very nice. I really like it. But जब भी online order करते हैं ना, there are always some flaws in it. So I can show you इधर जैसे कि you can see the thread going up and down and something is happening to it. Yeah, that is something I don't like, but वो होता ही है. Like if you order online, there always something is wrong. I found more flaws. So this has been in the box since it came. It came like 2-3 months back, like right before my exam started. So you can see a little bit of ink, got something there as well. Either ways, I just think it's still usable. थोड़े बहुत flaws है, ठीक है चलेगा, but I still like the bag and I will be using it a lot and there's a lot of space in it, so I really love this bag and yeah, I'll give it like a 9 on 10. We'll count both the flaws as 1 point minus, okay, because I like the feeling of the box and I think everything, the box, the bag, there's a lot of space, there are 2 pockets and a lot of space, so absolutely adorable and I'm totally in love. I love this bag. I still didn't use it even once because I was like, पहले YouTube का video shoot कर ले उसके बाद. Now this is the thing that I mostly would wear at beaches and warm places. I'll open it up. It's really soft and the best part about this is that it's one size, so it can fit me, my sister and my mom. Okay, मैं ये पहन के दिखाती हूँ. So you just wear it like an overcoat. You're supposed to wear it on top of your swimsuit, and the fact that it's one size, I don't know how it's one size, but it is one size, and there is this to tie it up if you want to tie it up. I'd rather keep it open, so that's, but you're supposed to wear it on top of swimsuit or like shorts and like crop top, not with what I'm wearing because honestly nahi pehnte aise. But so this was the next thing I got, so I'm going to give it like 8 on 10. Because everything about it is really nice, but one size hai, but that's the thing, it's one size, so it's supposed to fit everyone, but I think it won't fit excess people that well, the way it's supposed to. So for me, it's not the perfect fit, but obviously it fits me and it's very nice, the quality is very nice, so 8 on 10 for that is okay. Now we're coming on to food. So this is the thing. I love instant noodles and I love ramen, like spicy ones. You have already seen this hot noodle challenge which me and my sister did. I'll link it up. I think here hota hai na? Ya to fir idhar, like either here or either here. I'll link it there and you can check it out. But I'm going to bring in 1 by 1 boxes and there has been a little mistake and I'll tell everything about that as well. So last time I did a haul and like online shopping and everything, you all asked me where I got my tripod from, where I got my clothes from. The clothes were from Shein, the one I did Shein haul, and my tripod and everything is from Ozon. I don't know if it's a worldwide thing, but it is available in Russia. So Ozon is a company. This is from Ozon. And here I have So you all, if you follow me on Instagram, you all know Ruchika Di. If you don't know, she's a food blogger and I really love her content and everything about her, honestly. And in her channel, she tried out the Korean noodles, kimchi flavored, and I was like, oh, I want to try that too. I love kimchi. Like kimchi is basically cabbage and a lot of spices and stuff like that. It's like marinated. It's really good. And I've tried that and I was like, okay, it's going to be interesting. So I got kimchi noodles. And I'm going to try this out soon, next video mein. And I got 4 of these and that is fine. 4 of kimchi noodles is fine. But then something else happened. So then I wanted to order a different flavored ramen. This is how it came. So there are 4 packs. No, there are 4 pieces in one pack. So now I have 12 of these ramen. I don't even know if they taste well. But all I know is that it's spicy. So yeah, that's all I have, honestly. So I have 12 of these, 4 of kimchi and clothes. Let's go. I'm so excited to try this out though. Like, I'm really excited. And I have some vlogs for you guys. Mama made pani puri plus Mama made dahi puri plus Mama made me happy. So I'm gonna pin in those vlogs for you and you can check them out right now. Look at this. If you're not jealous yet, I don't know what will make you jealous. देखो, देखो, oh my god. किसने बनाया है? अगर पूरा देखो. आई हाय. आई हाय. Yes, beautiful, beautiful. So coming up with online shopping, I had to give a very good news to everyone who loves Mamaearth and who live in Russia and who don't have Mamaearth products. So it is not a sponsored video, but I really had to tell it because I know many of my friends want Mamaearth products and they just don't know where to find them. And I myself, being a huge fan of Mamaearth, I exactly know where to find them now. So now Mamaearth products are available online in Russia and Moscow. You can find them in Ozon, Wildberries, and Perikrossok online and all those shops. And instead of you going to Mamaearth is going to come to your doorsteps. So you all can order your products. I'm going to show some pictures. Here, these are the products I really love from Mamaearth, and I think you guys will love them too. The best part about Mamaearth, like what I think, they have like shampoos. If I talk about specifically shampoo, so many types, special. Look, they're so good, and literally you're going to find the best one that suits you. There's one for dandruff, for strong hair. There's so many. So you can do your own research, find out which one fits you, and if you want to order, they're available everywhere online. So if you live in Russia and you want Mamaearth products, I'm going to link them down below as well if you want me to. Later on in the comments, you comment that you want Mamaearth link, and then I'm going to post it downstairs, okay? Because India, I know it's available everywhere, but Russia, now it's there. So my Russian friends can get it too, and it's really good. So yeah, that was the end of the video. I really enjoyed making this one. I say that at the end of every single video, but it has been a long time since I filmed one. So yeah, I was really excited, and stay tuned. Please follow on Instagram so that you can see the picture of my beautiful dress that I got. I'll see you guys next time. Until then, keep smiling. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.